In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your Upwork profile visibility from private to public. This process is essential for freelancers who want to ensure their profiles are accessible to potential clients. A public profile not only increases your chances of getting noticed, but also helps in building your network more effectively. Let's dive into the steps involved in making this important change. To begin, you need to visit the Upwork homepage. If you haven't logged in already, you'll be prompted to do so with your credentials. Enter your login information to access your account's main interface. It's important to remember that you need to be signed in to make any changes to your profile settings. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. Here you'll notice a menu option labeled Preferences. This is where you can manage the visibility settings of your profile, among other things. Clicking on Preferences will take you to a new section containing different options for configuring your account. Now that you're in the Preferences section, look for an area labeled Profile Visibility. This section controls who can see your profile on Upwork. By default, it may be set to private, which restricts its visibility to others. Keeping your profile private can be beneficial if you're not actively seeking work, but it's less effective if you're trying to secure more clients. Next, you'll need to locate and click the pencil icon next to the profile visibility option. This icon signifies your ability to edit this particular setting. Clicking it will open up further options that allow you to change how visible your profile is on the platform. In the Edit menu, you'll find different visibility settings. To increase your chances of being discovered by potential clients, you'll want to select Public. Setting your profile to public means that anyone who visits Upwork, including those without an account, can see your profile. This setting offers the greatest exposure, but remember, it also means that all the information in your profile is widely accessible. Finally, after selecting the public option, make sure to click on Save to apply the changes. Neglecting this step can result in your visibility settings reverting to their previous state, potentially causing you to miss out on new opportunities. And there you have it, simple steps to make sure your Upwork profile stands out and attracts the attention you deserve. By ensuring your profile is public, you're giving yourself the best chance to connect with more clients, showcase your skills, and ultimately grow your freelance career. Thanks for joining me, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy freelancing!